You're about to review document management and document linking within Allscripts MyWay. The purpose of this is to give you a scanning solution to make sure that we can eliminate the paper that is coming inbound and even outbound in a way that we can make everything electronic. Within the system, here's where we have the ability to come into your desktop, and then we can go to our document linking. The first way that I'm going to show you is maybe if you have an incoming fax line, so truly instead of everything coming to a paper fax machine, it goes into an inbox. What you can do in this system is you can actually have all your incoming faxes go to a folder, and then you can open that folder, such as incoming faxes. From here, here's where you can see a list of all of maybe PDF. You can even see little thumbnail images. So truly, if maybe you just want to bring an image or a file, in the system you can truly just check and you can drop and drag your document over into the right hand side. By dragging this over to the right hand side, here's where you have the ability now to attach it to a certain patient. So maybe this is a patient photo. Okay, we can pull up our test patient, and then for our type, here's outlining what type of document it is. So we're just going to say it's patient identification. We have the ability to give it a document name, so here's where we could put photo or anything that you need to. And then not only that, we can fill in other information such as date, visit date, or result date if it was something like that. Note down at the bottom, something that's nice for lab results is a lot of practices will get their lab results in from a hospital, and instead of printing those out and having the doctor sign them, you can set this to be approved electronically, where the doctor can actually electronically sign on. So it's eliminating that piece of paper being printed, and not only that, being touched by 5-6 different hands and then getting scanned back in there, which can be very cumbersome over a period of time. So that's one way that we can actually scan in documents. The second way that we can scan documents is if we truly want to go directly into the patient's account. So at any point we could actually open up the patient's demographics. Whenever we open up those demographics, you'll see the attachment slider on the left-hand slide. We can at any point come in here. So we're going to open up Karen's account. Once we open up her account, we can actually come into the attachments, and then we can hit New. And I don't actually have a scanner signed up, but attached, but at least you guys can see what would happen is the ability to import. So from an import, we can actually pull it directly from the scanner, or you could even import a file if you already have the file on your system, like we did with this incoming faxes. So we could pull up a certain image. Once we open that up, you'll see it brings up the image. One of the nice things with this document attachment is the ability to annotate on there. So here's where if you have a pen tablet, you could actually draw certain arrows, or you can circle things or do whatever you need to, and you can set the color and the line thickness on that. So it's just a very nice way to add additional information. We're going to come in here, we're going to attach the type. We're just going to say that it's a attachment, general attachment, and once we're done we can choose our OK button. So there we've went over a couple different ways that you can actually attach images in there, and then you can move forward.